What up, G?
Oh, hey, welcome back from Mexico, man. You get me anything?
Nah, you don't drink and you don't smoke, so I mean, there's nothing for me to get for you. So I didn't get you anything in Mexico, but I do have some advice for you. While in Mexico and for at least 48 hours after coming back from Mexico, never trust a fart. What's up, y'all? I'm Alan Oh, hold on a second. What's up, y'all? I'm Alan Hain, the Lawn Care Nut. Thanks for coming back for yet another week. It is so thick, I can literally swim in it.
Thought you were down for the count for a minute.
No, swimming in it. Apparently dude thought I fell down and I was hurt. And I was like, no, just, you know, swimming in my lawn. That's all. Pretty normal. So yeah, it's overgrown. What happened was, you guys know I went to Mexico last week. By the way, that's why the mustachio is gone. That was just a temporary thing in honor of my son. Watch the video I put out a few days ago for more context there. But yeah, so the last time I was able to mow this lawn was Thursday, July 1st, and today is Monday, July 12th. And so it has been 11 days since this lawn's been mowed. Now, while I've been gone, there's been tropical storms, rain every day, stuff we've been talking about, those of us with St. Augustine. But yeah, I didn't make good plans to have this cut while I was gone. And so now I gotta do an overgrown mow, which, you know, yeah. Just to give you an idea where you're at there, what is that, 9 inches? Yeah, she gonna love that. Look at that, like right at that 9-inch mark. That's a beautiful thing right there, eh? So you figure my typical mow is at 4 inches, and here's what it looked like before I left. So you figure my typical mow is at 4 inches. So I'm gonna be probably well over the 50% rule, but I'm not gonna have a choice. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna get through that, see what happens. But I also have now allowed, I think, some disease to kind of start working its way in here. We'll talk more about that later. I just want to kind of document it now. I've had problems with Rhizoctonia last year, and I believe it's coming back now. These spots look very similar. See that? That's more of that Rhizoctonia look, not so much gray leaf spot. But you know, we can talk about disease all day long and make people panic, but some of that might be gray leaf spot. Again, I've allowed it. So the good news is everything is dry right now. The sun is perfect. We're getting intermittent cloud cover, which is really nice, but for the most part, sun. So the grass is not stressed. It's actually very soft. There's also a light breeze, so if I'm gonna be mowing when it's gonna be rough, now's the time. By the way, it's like 10 in the morning too, so I'm not super late in the afternoon. So let's get to it. Look at that. Got all finished over here with my double cut. Went in to take a call real quick. Came back out. Bam. We got storms rolling in, so looks like we are still in the rain pattern. Gonna have to cut this tomorrow, so Palmetto gets to go another day.